Hi guys, I am Jovi, and for today's video I am going to give you guys a garbage disposal.
Dos and don'ts.
So let's get started.
5 do's. 1. Do cut large items into smaller pieces.
Put them into the garbage disposal one at a time instead of trying to shove a large amount in at once.
2. Do run your garbage disposal regularly.
Frequent use prevents rust and corrosion, assures that all parts stay moving, and prevents obstructions from accumulating.
3. Do keep your garbage disposal clean.
Pour a little dish soap inside and let the garbage disposal run for a minute or so with some cold water after washing dishes,
4. Use a disposer cleaner,
such as degreaser or deodoizer, as necessary to relieve objectionable odors caused by grease buildup.
5. Do put only soft food items into your garbage disposal.
Because hard food items like bones, etc., will damage your disposer.
5 don'ts. 1. Don't overfill your garbage disposal.
This will create too much pressure on the system, causing it to bog down, which hurts your motor.
2. Don't turn off your garbage disposal while it is still grinding.
Be sure all grinding is completed, and then let cold water run for another 15 seconds to be sure everything is flushed out.
3. Don't put fats, oil, and grease down the drain or in the garbage disposal.
It can cause blockages and sewer overflows,
4. Don't put hazardous materials,
such as paint, unneeded medicine, motor oil, pesticides, solvents, and other cleaners down the garbage disposal.
5. Don't use hot water when grinding food waste.
Hot water will cause grease to liquefy and accumulate, causing drains to clog.
Additional information.
Everyone is impacted by the global problem of solid waste management. As a result, everyone must take responsibility for it. Municipalities all across the world struggle to establish sustainable programs for garbage collection, treatment, and disposal, even while the amount of personal waste rises daily. Poor solid waste management and careless disposal are endangering human health by polluting the air, soil, fresh water, and salt water. Everyone is accountable for trash management because garbage is produced by everyone. Citizens should grasp this idea and comprehend how crucial their role is to protecting our natural resources and turning trash into wealth rather than the pollution and health risk. The most important is don't put anything in the garbage disposal that is not biodegradable food,